I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an old-school torque wrench. First, identify if you have a beam, click, or deflecting beam type. Before starting, ensure your wrench is clean and free of debris. Proper preparation is key to accurate readings and preventing damage to your fasteners. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started, ensuring your work is precise and safe. Let's dive into the fundamentals of achieving accurate torque. Setting your torque wrench correctly is crucial for precise fastening. For a click-type wrench, you'll typically twist the handle to align the desired foot-pounds or newton-meters with the indicator. Ensure you lock the setting securely once you've reached your target, preventing any accidental adjustments while you're working. Double-check your setting against the manufacturer's specifications for the fastener you are tightening. This step ensures both safety and accuracy. When applying torque, always ensure the socket is fully seated on the fastener. Pull the wrench with a smooth, continuous motion, avoiding jerky movements. For a click-type wrench, you'll hear and feel a distinct click when the set torque is reached. For a beam type, watch the needle align with your target. Stop immediately at this point to prevent over-tightening, which can damage threads or components. Consistency is key here. Proper care extends the life and accuracy of your torque wrench. For click-type wrenches, always reset them to their lowest setting after each use to relieve spring tension. Clean your wrench with a soft cloth, removing any oil or grime. Store it in its original case or a dedicated protective container in a dry, temperature-controlled environment. This prevents corrosion and maintains calibration, ensuring it's ready for your next project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.